Our live winner, another titanium. Break 2839. We've got 2 boxes. So we've got Dave on top. Dave is also last. Of course I'm ready, Paul. What? What an idiot. That's where I'm supposed to go. Perfect. Sorry for that, guys. So live. Dave on top, Dave was last. Okay. 30 teams. Yep. Oh, we didn't see correctly. Right. First. Second. And third. On top, we've got the Ottawa Senators. Last is the Florida Panthers. Please don't, eh? What do we have? All right, so Dave, Ottawa, Detroit, Colorado, Julien, Boston, St. Louis, Tampa Bay, Pierre-Luc, Carolina, Pittsburgh, Arizona, Paul, Buffalo, Islanders, LA, Domingo, Devils, Minnesota, Columbus, Jean-Jacques, Calgary, Winnipeg, Washington, Domingo, Chicago, San Jose, Edmonton, Ryan, Montreal, Toronto, Anaheim, Reagan, Flyers, Rangers, Vancouver Canucks, and Dave, Florida, Dallas, and the Nashville Predators. Let me take that list. Copy paste it on Facebook. There it is. Let's switch. Everything's fine here. All right, so that's see my camera. I don't see anything. All right, so fresh inner, taking from the same master and the previous boxes. That's what it looks like. Take 2 boxes. Good to go. Alright, so first pack, what do we have? We've got a game worn gears for the Flyers. James Van Riemsdyk. The young JR. Next. What the hell? Another game worn gear, this time for the Ottawa Senators. Peter Regin. Okay. Third pack. We got a dual jersey. 167 out of 300. Buffalo Sabres. Drew Stafford and Thomas Vanek. Pack number 4. We got a new wave autograph of Jason Bowman for the Carolina Hurricane. I like his autographs. And last pack of our first box. What do we have? Alright, a game worn gear prime 8 out of 50. Ottawa Senators. Jason Jason Spezza. Jason Spezza prime 8 out of 50. That was box 1. Box number 2. Game worn gears for Colorado, TJ Gagliardi. Pack number 2. Game worn gears, Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. Yeah, that's what happened. So. Spezza, he's got a prime idea the regular. Third pack. What do we have? Hat-trick. 136 out of 199 triple jersey Vancouver Canucks. Henrik Sedin, Mason Raymond, and Yannick Hansen. Triple jersey for the Vancouver Canucks. Pack number 4. What do we have? Some gold. Private Simon's autograph for the Ottawa Senators. I don't even know that guy. Mike Brother.
I don't even know who that is.
Who the hell is that? Mike Brother.
Don't think he's that good as Marty yet.
I don't think he's good as Marty. Alright, and our last pack. What do we have? That's funny. We get a Jeff autograph. 60 out of 99. This one will go to the Montreal Canadiens. Louis LeBlanc. Could have been anyone else, but we got Louis LeBlanc.
It was a good prospect back in the day, huh?
If you say so. So that was our double of titanium. Pretty sure those 6 remaining boxes are better than those 2. So we'll see you later, guys. Thanks.